Page 41, Au clair de la lune. Now, this piece is in a lot of method books. Let's go over everything, all these musical symbols we're seeing, make sure we understand them. First thing I like to do is I like to get the names of the notes. So you're starting out with middle C. You got 3 of those, and you're playing them with the thumb now, here. So we're still in C position. So we're here, and then you have an E and a D, and then a C, and an E, and a D, and a D. Make sure you say the names of these notes. You're only using 3 notes, and nothing that bad, I don't know. And there's no left hand playing, so it's just right hand. Then we add the counting. 4/4 time, you're counting to 4, and you're counting quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, because a half note gets 2 counts. At the end, the whole note, that gets 4 counts. Okay. The P in the middle, that means soft. It's your soft. What do you think soft is? Just not real soft, just soft. Whatever that is, you'll decide. Then at the end, you have the repeat sign. So we're going to repeat it. We're going to play it twice. Then above the staff, moderately, that's your speed or your tempo. How fast is that? I don't know, somewhere in the middle. So, what's moderately to you? Maybe that's fast to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. With 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll have to decide what moderately is, and you'll get better at deciding these tempos as you go through and play more pieces. You'll get a better idea how fast each of these are. Just right now, somewhere in the middle. It's not real fast, it's not real slow, it's in the middle. That's good enough. So, since I don't have a lot to say here, I want to add one more thing about how I do these videos. At the end of the play with me's, I always say off. That's when you lift your fingers off the keys, you're done. And the reason I say that is because when you're counting, like here at the beginning, you're counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then you keep counting. Well, when you get to the end of the piece, you stop counting. Well, if you don't count all the way to the end, you won't hold the last note long enough. So you look in the last measure here, it's a whole note. You got to hold that down 4 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you lift up. People, what they'll do is they'll hold it 3 counts. They'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and they come up on beat 4. That's 3 counts because one beat ends when the next beat starts. So in order to hold it down for 4 counts, you got to hold it down through beat 4 until the next beat starts. The problem is at the end of the piece there is no next beat. So instead, I can't say 1, there is no 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, that's when you lift it up. There is no 1, the piece is over. So I say off. That represents that beat that's not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. There. And then it's done. Here we have a repeat sign. So the first time we play it, we're going to repeat. There is another beat because you're repeating it. So that's not a problem. But the second time we play it, we're not repeating it again, so then I need an off there, and that's what it's for. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, go. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off.